Colossal pieces of work.
So now to the Great Pyramids, the most famous symbol of ancient Egypt. The pyramids shelter great mysteries and questions that even today remain unanswered. Even modern engineers have a hard time figuring out how they were built. The Egyptian pharaohs believed in creating works that would proclaim their greatness throughout the ages. Each pharaoh would construct fantastic monuments to either the gods or, well, themselves. Take the Temple of Karnak, for example. Comprised of 3 sanctuaries, it is one of the most ancient and largest religious complexes in the world to this day. Or the Pyramid of Khufu, the largest of the pyramids, which took more than 23 years of constant work to build. The pyramids were tombs built for the great pharaohs and were filled with many artifacts. Egyptians believed that they would meet the god Osiris in the afterlife and could bring along anything they had from the living world. So, many of the pharaohs decided to take this journey well prepared, taking many treasures and goods with them. The more they took, the more they would have in the afterlife.